Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a soft, moist Swahili sponge cake known as Mkate wa sembe. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need a half a cup of oil, 4 medium-large eggs, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of maize flour, 1 cup of wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and lastly 1 teaspoon of baking powder. In a mixer, you're going to add 4 eggs, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Then mix the 3 ingredients for approximately 7 to 10 minutes till the mixture double size. After 7 minutes, your mixture should rise like this. Then you're going to pour a half a cup of oil and 1 cup of milk and mix for approximately 1 minute. Afterwards, you're going to add 1 cup of maize flour and 1 cup of wheat flour. Using a wooden spoon, you're going to pour the maize flour and the wheat flour slowly by slowly while mixing till everything is nicely combined until you have no lumps in the mixture. At this point, make sure you don't use the mixer or else your sponge cake won't rise after baking it. Lastly, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and continue mixing till everything is nicely combined and your mixture is ready to be baked in the oven. Pour the mixture in a baking pan. Make sure you grease the baking pan or you put a baking sheet so that the sponge cake doesn't stick at the bottom. Afterwards, put in a preheated oven and bake the sponge cake at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, my sponge cake is ready as you can see in the video. Let it to cool down completely before removing it from the baking pan. After approximately 20 minutes, my sponge cake has cooled down. I'm going to remove it out from the baking pan so you can able to see the bottom of the sponge cake, and I'm going to cut a piece so you can able to see the inside of the sponge cake. I'm going to cut a piece of the sponge cake so you can able to see how nicely the sponge cake is baked inside. Like, look how soft and nicely baked the sponge cake looks. And my Swahili sponge cake is ready as you can see in the video. Like, this sponge cake, it's so soft and very tasty. Serve a sponge cake with a cup of tea or coffee and enjoy your soft sponge cake. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.